a couple of months ago, we had the opportunity to visit Khanpur Dam. Luckily, the weather was splendid, dark, cloudy, windy, just perfect for shooting, and the chances were it's going to rain soon. I love that kind of weather. I mean, look at these colorful boats, look really awesome. Alright, that was actually a pretty nice highlight. There was so much going on in my mind. I wish I could visualize it because there was so much to capture, but unfortunately my drone got crashed and it started to rain. But no worries, it happened right after while I was taking my last shot. But we enjoyed a lot, especially the ski jet. I loved the most. And I really enjoy chasing these colorful floating boats with my drone. And the whole view from above seems so different to what you can see on your screen. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe the channel to stay updated for future videos. Inshallah, I will see you next week in my next episode. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.